Hey guys, welcome to Thumper Fab. We're here today to check out our new KRX cage for the 2-seat. Check it out. This is the low brow. So what that means is up here at the top, it gives you that nice low aggressive brow look. Our other option that we have is a high brow, and it would be a straight bar across the windshield. So it gives you a little bit more visibility. But man, this one just looks mean. Checking out the interior shot here of our cage. Looking at the front windshield. As you can see, we kept the cage nice and low to give it that aggressive look. We still got good visibility, even with the low brow. Still got good visibility. Still got, because we make a curved radius in this roll cage, still got a lot of headroom. I can fit a hand up there. I've got, a good amount of room still for helmet coverage. I'm gonna, safety first out there on the trail. Want to wear a helmet? I can rock a helmet. I'm not exactly a tall guy. I'm 5'10", so still plenty of headroom. Some of my longer torso guys in the shop, we work with them and scan them in the cage as well. My 6'1", 6'2" guys. Well, we want to make this, still have enough room to fit, ride comfortably, but really give that good aggressive look in the car and really change the overall appearance of it too. All right, another feature I want to show you about our cages that really sets them apart, makes them super easy to install some accessories on. Check this out. Look, we've got the zip tie for our wire run to the outside here. We got zip ties all over it. Wires kind of run. It's a mess. I did that on purpose. Show you what it looks like. Let's get a little closer in here. If you can see very, very faintly in the corner there, I've got two almost like round holes, it looks like there. Yeah. Okay, there you go. There's a better shot. So now I can see a little bit of that round hole just barely peeping through the powder coat there. What that is a micro laser cut into the tube. So our tube laser, just barely big enough to where you can barely see a little bit of that notch after all the powder coating. See just a little bit of it. It's super easy now. Instead of having to try and drill on a round tube to run all your wires and everything through the tube, which would make it a nice clean look and hide all the wires, all you have to do is take a punch, that micro cut circle out and run your wires right through there. So makes it super easy. Put a nice rubber grommet in there, run your wires from this corner, run it into this corner to go to this tube. Now you can go all the way back, run your whip lights from there. You can run any one of these tubes that are from corner to corner. We have it in each one of these corners right here, so that it's easy for you to be able to run wires inside of your cage. Really get that nice clean finished look all the way out. Not worry about all these wires and stuff just hanging out here in the cage. So yeah, we really wanted to go a step extra to really make this cage look good on the inside and the out. We'll see y'all next time. Like, subscribe, check out what we've got coming up next. We're gonna have some more stuff coming up for the KRX. And y'all always know, we're making new products every single day. So be sure and follow us, subscribe to our channel, check out what we've got coming down the pipeline next. Our engineers are hard at work making some cool stuff. So we'll see you out on the trail. Later.